Welcome home. So glad you could take a look at this home with me today. We are in Terra Vista, which is one of our premier gated communities. And this is a fantastic 2019 built home with almost 2,600 square feet of living. It is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom with a 3-car garage. And there are so many upgrades and features to this home. I want to show them all to you so you can see how beautiful this is, and you'll be ready to make an offer. So here we are in the den office. We've got a beautiful bay window here, New England shutters. And that makes opening and closing windows very easy when you have those shutters on them. As we walk through, you'll notice we've got very nice tile floors. We have bullnose corners, all of the corners, beautiful baseboard, extra wide baseboard, and crown molding throughout as well. This is a fantastic kitchen, huge island, cabinets everywhere, equipped with an extra prep sink with reverse osmosis water filtration system, one of the many upgrades. We've got a gorgeous backsplash tile, mosaic tile, and of course the gas cooktop and built-in microwave and oven there as well. Because this home is almost new construction, only a couple of years old, you have very modern finishes, nice light fixtures, a lot of recessed lighting, and some of those great features. A good sized laundry room and lots of cabinetry. Let's step right out into the garage and I'll tell you what we have in this large garage. So this is an oversized 3-car garage, lots of extra space. There is a 220 outlet for your electric car, and we also have a 30 amp hookup for the RV as well. Up above you'll have the pull down attic stairs, so you can get into the attic and have extra storage space up there. Back inside, I want to take you to the primary bedroom with the ensuite bathroom. And one of the neat things with this house as well is it does have 2 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. So if you have a need for an additional ensuite, then you'll have that. This is the powder room, so this is great for guests. You don't have to have one of your full baths used as a guest bathroom when you just have guests that are not staying long term. This is the primary suite, very spacious. You're noticing how high these ceilings are, the doorways as well, extra tall doors in this house. We have 2 great walk-in closets with closet systems, so plenty of storage. You can be very, very organized in these closets. They have pocket doors, so great for space saving. Linen closet here, just before you enter into the bathroom. We have 2 sinks, 2 vanities, a soaker tub right in the middle, which I think is awesome, and then a water closet that is completely private from the rest of the bathroom. So very nice design. Check out this shower, good size, great shower heads, beautiful tile work. New England shutters in on all the windows. Lots of space in this living room. You can see there's even room for a piano and plenty of sitting area. Great setup there with the floating shelves and the TV mount and the built-in cabinets. So here's the guest wing of the house. Very nice hallway here. We have the first guest bedroom. Good closet. Everything is painted in the same neutral colors. So this is really a blank canvas. If you are thinking about building, you don't want to wait the time frame that it takes to build a house, which right now, you're looking at 14 to 18 months in most cases, sometimes even longer. So you don't need to do that if you can buy something like this, which comes with some great upgrades, and frankly, with the prices where they are, everyone knows the prices have gone up tremendously on materials and everything else. You're really able to get into a quality home with a lot of space, a lot of upgrades, and not have to pay the premium that you'd pay if you were building brand new. So I want to take you out onto the pool deck. So this is our door here off of the guest wing, which makes a very easy access to the bathroom. One of the things I'm going to show you here in just a minute is how these sliders recess on both sides. So this house can be opened right up to come right out to this pool. You've got a infinity screen there over the spa, so your view is not obstructed in any way, and so that's a very, very nice feature. Good sized pool here, so if you want to swim some laps, you can do that, and otherwise I'd be soaking in that spa if it was me. Extra space over here. All of this is screened in for comfort. And we are on a higher elevation, so that's a neat aspect too. You can see there's some steps down to the side yard there. Lots of room to work with in this house. In addition to the osmosis water filtration system, there's also a UV filter on the air conditioner, so the air is purified and kept very clean. So this is a house that is geared to your health and quality of living. So what I want to show you now, one of the upgrades that the owner did is added a screen, and I'm pushing a button and that screen is just automatically coming down. So what this does is it makes sure that when you do open up the sliders for the pool, indoor, outdoor access, you will not have any opportunity for any kind of critters to come into your house. So I just want to demonstrate that here. I'm not going to recess these all the way, but this is a fantastic screen, and you almost don't even see it. You have to be very careful if you have that screen down, because it's really one that it's such a nice screen that you don't even notice it's there. Very, very fine screening so that nothing's going to come through that, and it completely seals at the bottom. So really awesome upgrade. And then the other one that's a lot of fun is these curtains on the slider are also remote operated. So I'm going to show you how that works. You can close these with a push of a button, and then you're able to also close them so that it's completely, for nighttime, it's completely shut off. I'll show you how that looks. How about that? And it's just, it's so neat that that can be done just with the push of a button. And we open back up. So these are some of the awesome upgrades. Otherwise, we have a 50-plus year tile roof on this house, and of course the house is only a few years old, so you've got longevity there. The pool is heated. There are solar panels, and the pool and spa can be heated fairly quickly. So it's really a very nice complete package. So I'm Ruth Squires with RES Luxury Group, bringing you white glove service, red carpet treatment, because your satisfaction is our guarantee. We're with eXp Realty, and if you'd like more information on this property, please give us a call, 352-794-1426. And as always, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and like this video, and we'll keep you informed as we have more videos and more fine properties that come to the market. Thanks for tuning in.